there. I'm not sure Kobayashi. Ever wonder what it takes to survive a tornado? The proper precautions, the proper actions to survive a tornado. There's a lot of misconceptions out there. You know, the overpass theory. No, that's fake. Please. That's false. It's actually a tunneling effect. Anyway, first tip is actually lay in a survival position for a tornado. Now this involves getting on your hands and knees and holding your hands behind your head. It's pretty penultimate that you cover your head. That's the one thing at risk. The thing, you know, you're gonna get hit in the head by some type of flying debris. What are you doing? So that's your first thing to do. Second thing, wear your shoes. Okay, after you get out that rubble, whatever you're in, like there's gonna be a ton of debris on the ground. There's probably gonna be nails everywhere. Like you don't want to step on any of that, especially if they're old or rusty. You could get tetanus. It's just not fun. So wear your shoes. Wear something to cover the bottom of your feet so you don't step on it. It's very important. Another thing to do, find an interior space in your home if you do not have a basement. If you have a basement, go into that basement. If you have a storm shelter, even better, go into that storm shelter as soon as you hear the sirens. It doesn't matter where the tornado is, even if you see one, because if you can't see one when the sirens go off, you're not going to see one when it like gets to your house. So that's very important. Yes, sirens. So, the only time you'll hear a tornado siren is if they're testing it, which here happens every Friday. We have developed tornado safety in a lot of ways over the years, and sirens have come a long way with that. It used to be for, let's say, wildfires were the main purpose. Then they were used in World War II and in the Cold War for bombings and maybe nuclear doomsday. Along with the sirens, there's also the EAS, which used to be Colorad in the Cold War days, which was a radio channel that you tuned into, but those channels aren't there anymore. Now we have the EAS, which go on your phone or over the TV. Nobody watches TV anymore, which is why a lot of it's going over the phone now. Yeah, just don't die.